Welcome back to Everyday Tacoma. Today we're going to be talking about interior mods. Now this is the mods I've done to date. This is not some of the stuff that I've got planned in the future. There's a couple other things I want to sit there and go over in the future. So let's get started and let's look at what I've done so far. So we're going to video some of the interior improvements that I've made to this this truck. The first thing up here is I've actually got a MagSafe type holder for my phone on top of this. This happens to be a dash organizer. Okay. The next thing that I have is inside the console, I have a console organizer. And something else that I have a leather cover for my manuals. And I'll bring that out and we'll take a closer look at that. Okay, and then inside here, it might be difficult to see because of the sun and that, but that looks a little bit better. I've got a glove box organizer, and I picked this one because I was able to put my manuals on top of it without splitting it into 4. It's actually in 3, and again, that can come out, and I'll show you what I did to that in just a moment. So starting here on the glove box, or not glove box, on the dash organizer, I've got a the MagSafe connector, which is magnetic, which hooks up to my iPhone, and I use that to hold my iPhone. I kind of like being able to see that, see my phone, versus with the Tacoma, you put it down on the charger and it's kind of hidden and all that stuff, and I always forget about it there. So, but that's on some 1-inch ball mounts, and those actually screw into some 1/4-20 connectors on this thing, which is a nice way to mount things. Very, very handy, and I like it, and it does not rattle. Okay. Next step is the glove box organizer. Glove box organizer does a very, very good job of organizing my glove box. I have stuff that I put underneath of it, and I put stuff in the top too, and I'm very, very happy with that. And I'll provide links to where I got this stuff in the description. Next thing is this is my let me change this real quick. This is my manual organizer, cover, whatever you want to call it. My manuals did not come with this in the beginning, so I went on eBay and I actually found this on eBay. It's leather, very well made, holds all my manuals. Okay, which is what, 3 inches thick, plenty of room for everything, and it was a great way of holding these things together, holding all this together. Very happy with this, and again, it's a Toyota thing. Not sure why mine didn't come with it, but we'll see. Okay, last is the glove box organizer. Now I've kind of changed this a little bit. This came in 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces, and I slid it together, put it in my glove box, and it was it comes in very nicely. I could put my manuals on the top here, on top, and I got room for stuff underneath it. One thing I did do is I took some super glue and super glued all this together, because it would try to fall apart and it would rattle inside the glove box. Now I don't have no rattling, and It works out very well. So that's my interior mods for this truck. That's my list so far, but I know I haven't found them all. If you've discovered an Easter egg on your 4th generation Tacoma, I want to hear about it. Drop a comment and tell us where to look. And if you've got a photo, even better. Thanks again for watching Everyday Tacoma. Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And happy taco hunting. Now, if you see some value in this video or any of the others here on the channel, do me a favor, head over to Custom Address Sign. That's where we create custom aluminum metal art. I can print your favorite digital photographs on glossy, gallery quality aluminum panels. Glamour shots of your Tacoma, car show photos, action shots in the dirt. We'll turn it into a stunning print with a custom drop shadow frame ready to hang. Thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you next time. Till later.